Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Oculus 2 face cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for any VR enthusiast looking to enhance their gaming experience, offering a comfortable and hygienic solution that can significantly improve immersion and extend playtime by preventing sweat buildup and irritation during intense virtual reality sessions. Number 5. VR Accessories Kit for Oculus Quest 2. Enhance your virtual reality experience with this comprehensive accessory kit. It provides full coverage and protection for your headset and controllers, ensuring a comfortable and immersive session every time. Upgrade your controllers with these grip covers. They add comfort and improve your grip, preventing slips during intense gaming. Enjoy a more secure and enjoyable feel. This soft silicone face cover replacement offers superior comfort and prevents light leakage. It effectively keeps sweat away from the original padding, maintaining hygiene and comfort. Protect your VR headset from accidental damage with this precisely fitted silicone shell cover. It ensures unobstructed camera tracking and efficient heat dissipation for optimal performance. Maintain personal hygiene with these disposable eye covers. Made from soft, breathable non-woven fabric, they protect against sweat and dirt, making it worry-free to share your VR headset. This cost-efficient starter kit includes everything you need to enhance your gaming experience. All accessories are specially designed to fit perfectly and elevate your gameplay. What we like. This is a comprehensive starter kit for your Oculus Quest 2. It includes everything you need for an enhanced experience, from a comfortable silicone face cover to controller grips and lens protection. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to upgrade your VR setup without breaking the bank, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Silicone face cover is soft and fits nicely. It is a tad bigger I think than the original, but it still fits and I have not had it come off yet with me taking the Quest off with my glasses on, and my glasses slide in and out pretty smooth. The face guard is great, it fits snugly around the padded liner. Number 4. SUPERUS Facial Interface for Oculus Quest 2. This VR foam face pad replacement set is designed to improve your hygiene, immersion, and comfort. It effectively reduces pressure, making longer VR sessions more enjoyable. The upgraded design is compatible with the original spacer. Experience optimal comfort with our facial interface bracket. It features passive air vents to improve air circulation and reduce fogging. This allows for the ultimate VR immersion by reducing pressure and red marks on your face. Keep your VR headset clean and sweat-free with our face cover. Made from PU leather and sponge foam, it ensures your extended VR gaming is more hygienic. Share your happiness with family or friends without worry. Enjoy a wider field of view with our ergonomic face pad. It fits different face shapes perfectly, bringing you closer to the display. This tighter fitting makes long VR sessions much more comfortable. Installation is a breeze with our snap-in facial interface frame. Cleaning is just as easy, simply use a cloth or wipes to remove sweat and grime. You'll have a fresh and hygienic headset again in no time. What we like. Experience superior comfort and hygiene with this PU foam face cover. Its sweat-proof material ensures your headset stays clean, while the design reduces pressure and enhances your field of view for deeper immersion. If you prioritize comfort during long VR sessions and want to keep your headset fresh, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. It popped in perfectly and feels secure and comfortable on his headset. He's been able to use his headset without any issues, and the pad hasn't shifted or loosened at all. It fits much better than the original inner face shield for the MetaQuest 2. And it helps manage sweat a lot better than the rubber they provide when purchased. It is a major upgrade in every department: comfort, cleaning, and functionality. It is a little extended on the nose area to prevent light leak, but not everyone will have this problem. Number 3. FEISEDY Small Cat Eye Sunglasses B2291. Step out in timeless fashion with these vintage-inspired sunglasses. Their unique cat eye shape adds a touch of retro flair to any outfit. Crafted specifically for women, these shades offer a comfortable and stylish fit. They are perfect for everyday wear or a special occasion. The distinctive cat eye silhouette is designed to flatter various face shapes. It provides a chic and sophisticated look that never goes out of style. Experience excellent craftsmanship and durable materials with these sunglasses. They are built to last and provide reliable sun protection. Complete your look with these fashionable sunglasses. They are the ideal accessory to elevate your style and express your personality. Discover the perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and modern design. These sunglasses are a must-have addition to your accessory collection. What we like. These sunglasses offer a touch of vintage flair with their classic cat-eye design. They are perfect for adding a stylish statement to any outfit. If you're looking to elevate your personal style with a chic and timeless accessory, these sunglasses are a fantastic choice. What people say. The shape is so flattering and gives the perfect mix of retro and modern style. They feel lightweight on my face, but still sturdy enough to toss in my bag without worrying. The arms of these sunglasses are flexible unlike most sunglasses I've tried. I can wear these for an extended length of time. They are lightweight and of good value. The shape is so chic and it is lightweight, however, the handles are sturdy. They sit perfectly on my face, without me having to keep pushing them up. Number 2. TechKen VR Facial Interface for Oculus Meta Quest 2. Experience unparalleled comfort with our facial interface, designed to make your VR sessions soft and enjoyable. Its PU leather and sponge foam provide a plush feel, keeping your device clean from sweat. Make your headset shareable without compromising privacy. Our extra facial interface covers allow friends to use it without direct contact, ensuring a hygienic experience for everyone. Designed with added ventilation holes, this bracket helps export heat to protect your device. The soft PU leather and foam ensure a comfortable, well-fitting experience for any face shape, even with glasses. Prevent light leakage with the integrated silicone nose pad for a more immersive gaming experience. Plus, a lens cover protects your lenses from daily scratches and dust when not in use. The special soft silicone nose pad is designed to fit most face and nose sizes, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for everyone. Your purchase includes one facial interface bracket with a nose pad and soft foam, along with a VR lens cover for your headset. What we like. This facial interface set is designed for both comfort and hygiene, making your Quest 2 easily shareable. The PU leather and foam provide a soft feel, while the anti-leakage nose pad enhances immersion. If you frequently share your VR headset with friends or family and want to maintain privacy and cleanliness, this set is an excellent solution. What people say. Comfortable and fits the Quest 2 perfectly. Lightweight and good price. So much better than the OEM interface that just soaked up sweat and caused acne and irritation. It's comfortable, way less sweat problems. Just an overall better design at a cheaper price than Meta's. This was extremely comfortable on all of the faces of anyone that tried it on. It's adjustable to fit different head size. And it's an easy install. Just put it on. Click it in and you're done now. Go play your VR and have a seat, LOL. Number 1. VR Face Pad for Meta Q-uest 2 Accessories. Experience ultimate comfort with 2 distinct face pad options. Choose between a sweat-proof leather pad or a breathable one with ventilation holes for a personalized fit. Our redesigned foam pad distributes pressure more evenly, making long VR sessions more comfortable. It also minimizes light leakage, enhancing immersion. Plus, there's ample space for glasses. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay thanks to the innovative airflow design. It effectively prevents lens fogging, ensuring clear vision during intense workouts or gaming. The waterproof PU surface makes cleaning a breeze, just wipe it down or wash with water. Keep your device hygienic and share it with family and friends without worry. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a fresh VR experience. It comes with a facial interface bracket, multiple foam pads, a lens protector, and stick caps. What we like. Enjoy a personalized and fog-free VR experience with this fitness-focused face pad. It features detachable pads, including a breathable option, and unique airflow designed to prevent fogging. If you're an active VR user who sweats a lot or wants a clean, easily maintainable headset for intense gaming sessions, this is the perfect fit. What people say. Improved comfort. The PU leather foam cushions are soft and reduce facial pressure, even during extended use. Hygienic and sweat-proof. The sweat-proof material is easy to wipe clean, making it ideal for high-intensity VR workouts. The VR face pad fixed that problem. It now stays securely seated in the face pad opening and doesn't come loose. An improved feature is having the light-blocking nose covering attached to the faceplate. It comes with 2 different thickness foam cushions to choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.